Right now is, in my opinion, an incredible time to be getting into crypto. This is insane. And to be honest, this is also just business as usual in the crypto markets, this level of volatility. We predicted this on the 25th of February. I literally said that Bitcoin can still come down to $75,000 before it potentially goes up to $130,000. Now, looking at Bitcoin, we've got an 80.3K price right here, $1.59 trillion on the market cap. Things still look fine. You know, for me, as for someone that's been in these markets for a long time and understands the waves of volatility and how the emotions work in this game, as you can see illustrated by this chart, this is completely normal. And unless we go lower, like another 10, 20% lower, I'm not going to feel the fear in this market. And if anything, I'm using this now to dollar cost average into this market and get even more crypto at a lower price. So this is where I believe we're in that bear trap moment. We're in that bear trap for the crypto markets. Now, yeah, it's not nice to see. It's not nice to see this correction. There's also market manipulation going on with the Bybit hack of $1.4 billion. We're seeing market makers selling off positions and actually liquidating long positions in the market to help pay Bybit back without actually completely destroying these markets. So yeah, this is where we don't really want to go lower here, folks. We could next see renewed optimism, FOMO, euphoria, and more upside potential. Now, looking at firstly the relative strength index, this is the first time since August 2024 we've seen Bitcoin come down to the 45 on the weekly relative strength index. And you can actually see, looking at this daily time frame, this is insane. This crash is insane, and it's almost as bad as August 2023. And it even comes down as low if we keep going in the past. Maybe not as low as like COVID, March 2020, which was 16 on the daily RSI. You can see Bitcoin actually came down to 22 on the daily RSI right here. This is, in my opinion, the undervaluation dollar cost average opportunity before we move back to the upside here, folks. And that's just looking at two indicators, the relative strength index. Maybe if we look at this logarithmic regression on the weekly as well, we can see we've just fallen out of the red pocket here, which does usually illustrate a very bullish market. Bear with me. We can see this right here. So yeah, that's a big red weekly candle. Now we can see, looking from the top where we were at $109,000, we've come down, we've done our 30% correction. This is 28% correction. This could be a good time to potentially get into crypto. I'm probably going to go long on Bitcoin at this particular level and do a massive leverage trade. I'm just going to take the risk and see what happens. I honestly don't think there's much more downside play here unless something really, really fishy is going to be happening in the market. Now we can see a lot of support around 72K, which is pretty insane. But yeah, that was the previous major local top that we hit. The 73K was the initial time high. And yeah, overall, we just don't really want to go any lower than this. I think this looks like a brilliant potential buy-in opportunity. So I will be loading up on BTC around these particular levels. I also wanted to quickly highlight the winners in my Discord. What an incredible thing this is. So if you are someone that wants to find more signals, analysis, education, and insights, you can check out my Discord of over 40,000 members down below and unlock signals on spot, leverage, and future positions. You can see these guys every day making tons and tons of wins in this market, whether this market is going up, down, or sideways, to have a little look at it. And, you might enjoy it. We're also doing right now a $3,000 giveaway. As you can see, we're giving away $3,000, 4 days to go, guys. Get yourself into this giveaway. There's only 4 days left. The link will be down below for this giveaway too. Share it with your friends or don't. It's up to you. But yeah, honestly, thank you so much. So that's what I think is happening. We're seeing this crash. We've seen Bitcoin go into potentially a bear trap area. Bitcoin coming down to $80,000 here. It's still business as usual. Seeing a 26% correction is nothing extraordinary in the world of cryptocurrency. We could probably easily find 30% corrections just looking back, even from March 2024 to January 2025, there was a 28% correction. So this, in my opinion, is the next major correction in the market before the next major potential move to the upside. This is where things get really, really exciting. And this is where I would absolutely not want to miss out on these markets. This is the shakeout. Anyways, thanks for watching. Get yourself signed up to KSEX, my favorite no KYC, globally accessible crypto exchange where you can buy meme coins, altcoins, utility coins, Bitcoin, ETH, any other coins that you want, and they have the lowest fees in the entire market. That's why we talk about it on this channel, because they have the lowest fees. You're going to save money over time, help you compound savings. You can use your hard-earned money and allocate it to other areas and hopefully compound more gains through the cryptos that you're looking to obtain. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. Hang in there, folks. Stop looking at the charts. This is an insanely nice area. I'm going to be getting into more cryptos, my favorite cryptos around this price region. I'll see you soon.